Hi all, welcome to Ultra Phoenix Technology. Today we learn about how to use PAT in CATIA. The PAT command is a tool used to extrude or add material to a 3D model based on a sketched profile. It allows you to create a solid feature by extending a 2D sketch into the third dimension. The pat command is a fundamental tool in part design for building 3D model. Go to start menu and select the mechanical design and select the part design and give some name for your design. Give OK. So it will open the part module. Now you can see pat command in your uh, CATIA window. Now you select the pat tool and inside the pat command you select the sketch, select any plane which you want to draw. So it will open the sketch module. Here using the profile you can draw any sketches and give the dimension for that sketch. Now sketch is fully constrained. Once your sketch is completed, exit the workbench and it will go to part model. Now you can see the preview for your 3D model. So here you can give the length by entering the value, or you can, there was multiple option is available. You can select up to next, up to last, up to plane, up to surface and give OK. So now do you want to edit anything, you just double click the model and change the value and reverse the direction if you want. And if you want to thicken, you can thicken the profile. They give OK. So you will get the new profile. So that's all. I hope everyone learn how to use pat command in CATIA. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get more update and notification from Ultra Phoenix Technology. Thank you all viewers and learners for watching this video.